Okay, so let's go to Texas.
In the early days of the treasure hunt, it was
There's Justin.
an adventure,
Tucker.
and it was a beacon of
Hope. A beacon of hope, kind of like a
for so
black
many
box,
people.
maybe.
And that's something that is
A beacon of hope,
exceedingly
yeah.
hard to come by.
Would be a beacon of hope for some people.
Is an adventure with hopes and dreams.
Oh, why are we going to the bull? Okay, folks, let's first thing here. It's a bull. Why is there a bull here? Oh, and then there's the X, of course. So we're going back to Justin. So we said it was Texas again. Now, here's what I want to focus on.
I think, especially to those
He's changing the clock time. So the only time he touches the clock time is when he moves it from 6:06 to what I believe to be 100% certain, 4:02. Right? Yes? Can we agree on that? Maybe? All right, well, here's my hypothesis, if you've seen like what I said in my Cipher video, which is...
Most of my family and friends would categorize.
What time is it? All right, this could be another point of contention, but let's just, for the argument's sake, let's say 12:02, but that's not what I care about. What I care about is, where is Justin? He's walking back from the right side. It's a wall over there with a window, it looks like, or at least drapery that is like the same thing. Yeah, I think that's a window. I definitely think it's a wall, and then a window or a wall and something. Either way, I don't think it's an exit point, which means he's walking back to his desk immediately after he just changed the clock, except it's not that time anymore. It's already moved ahead, yeah, if it's 4:02 and he moved it to 12:02, he moved it ahead. And then what happens? He comes back from this direction. And now, are you ready? So, are you ready? As ready as I will ever be. What time is it? 12:02. So, when he very first started his interview, from the very first time, this would be scene 1, and there is a clock. The lock is out there. The clock is 12:02. There's a chapter in the book called Midnight Menace, which just happens to have the time 12 in it because of midnight. And then also the other clock time, 4:02, that would be the arrival time on Posey's on the road when they leave at Dad's standard time, or like 10 p.m. and it's a 6-hour drive, and they arrive at 4 a.m. So Mom's story starts at 12:02, and then the next time is 4:02. And then in between that, at 2 a.m., there's an incident on his mom's train, which is his dad calls him about. That's a lot right there. But I guess what I'm trying to say is, like, I looked up what the distance is between like Tucson and Yuma by train, and it's like 4.5 hours. So 4.5 hours there, 4.5 hours back is 9, plus the time of the shooting and like the pull-off time. Like, let's just throw an hour in there for that, and you're at 10 hours. So if you go 12 plus 10, you get to 10, and then if you started at 10 and you did Dad's standard time and that drive, you would end at 4. So both stories connect back to both parents, and both of them impact the railroad. And that's that's why I think like that 8 also connects them to the railroad. All right, that's it. Bye.